Speak Out podcast. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Speak Out podcast, the podcast where we learn English step by step and sometimes laugh at my bad jokes. Today, we are going to talk about something super useful, how to talk about your plans in English. So, if you have big plans, small plans, or no plans at all, don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll know how exactly to talk about them in English. Think about it. Every day we tell people our plans. I'm going to the cinema. I'm meeting a friend. I'll probably just stay in bed all weekend. If you can talk about your plans in English, you can connect with people, make friends, and also avoid situations where someone invites you out and you accidentally say, I will marry pizza tonight. Okay, let's look at the most common ways to talk about plans. Ready? The first one is be going to plus where. This is for plans or intentions. For example, I'm going to watch a movie tonight. She's going to study English tomorrow. Or you can say, I'm going to eat salad for dinner. Just kidding, I'm going to eat pizza. The second one is present continuous for arrangements. This is for when you already arrange something, like a meeting or a date. I'm meeting my friend at 7 p.m. We're having dinner with my parents on Sunday. I'm having dinner with my cat. Yes, she always eats tuna. Very romantic. The third one is will, for spontaneous decisions or predictions. We use this when we decide at the moment or when we think about something will happen. I'll help you with your homework. It means that you are deciding now. I think it will rain tomorrow. I'll probably forget my diet again this weekend. Now, let's practice. I'll say a situation and you try to make a planned sentence in English. Ready? You want to study English tonight. I'm going to study English tonight. You already arranged dinner with a friend. I'm having dinner with my friend tonight. You just decided to help your mom. I'll help my mom. Great. Let's do one more funny one. You are very hungry now. What will you say? I'll eat everything in the fridge. Some learners mix these up. For example, I will to go shopping? This is wrong. You should say, I will go shopping. I going to eat? This is wrong. You should say, I am going to eat. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Let's listen to a short, funny dialogue. What are you doing this weekend? I'm going to relax at home. Really? I thought you were meeting your friends. Well, I was, but then I made a new plan. Oh, what's the new plan? Eating pizza alone with Netflix. Sounds like a perfect plan. So, to talk about your plans in English, remember, use going to for intentions, use present continuous for arrangements, and use will for spontaneous decisions or predictions. And don't forget, you can always plan to watch more of my videos. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now tell me in the comments, what are you going to do tomorrow?